In this era of modernization and innovation in technology, the need for a full-size desktop has minimized considerably, mainly because of the vast area it consumes on our disk spaces. Thanks to their ease of maintenance, compact footprint, and their compelling components, as the mini PC has taken the desktop world by storm. These PCs pack a ton of functionality into a relatively compact form factor, making them both portable and versatile. When looking for a mini PC, you'll like to consider if it can be upgraded because some models are locked into whatever configuration they have out of the box, but others can have their various components swapped out down the line. So, to help you find the best mini PC for your needs, we have come with a list of 5 best mini PCs of 2020 that you can buy from online. The HP Protist 600 G5 SFF is a highly expandable PC featuring flexible connectivity options, strong security, and comprehensive manageability features in a stylishly designed chassis for the modern workspace. Power through your day with high-performance 9th generation of Intel 6-core i5-9500 processor having a clock speed of up to 4.4 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, Intel UHD Graphics 630 alongside 8GB DDR4 RAM with 512GB SSD. This computer will run multiple applications simultaneously as well as access frequently used files and programs. The HP Protist 600 SFF has 2 bays, 2 slots, 1 M.2 connector, and optional dual SSDs with RAID support sold separately or as an optional feature. With 11 total USB ports including 1 USB Type-C, up to 2 video outputs, and optional Bluetooth connectivity, this mini PC becomes a hub for all of your devices in the office. With a space-saving design and flexible connectivity, the HP Protist 600 G5 small form factor offers big performance in a small footprint. Experience extreme performance with Interlock 8 Performance G Kit built for premium VR technology with the high performance you need to immerse yourself completely in virtual reality. The Interlock 8 i7 HVK kit comes with an 8th generation of Intel Core i7 processor with Radeon RX Vega M graphics, giving you the power for evading virtual reality in the smallest VR-optimized kit available. For storage, this mini PC comes with up to 32GB of RAM for multitasking and up to 1TB of Intel NVMe 760p SSD for storing your files. The skull on top of the kit is customizable with millions of RGB color combination, or you can just turn the light off. This Intel kit comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, front and rear HDMI ports, and 6 USB 3.1 ports, so you have enough connectivity for your peripherals now and in the future. You can also connect up to 4 4K displays for great image quality. The Interlock 8 i7 HVK Performance G Kit is unlocked, freeing you to pursue every gigahertz of performance you would need for experiencing in the virtual world. The MSI QB510M mini PC can mount up to Intel Core i7 10th generation low power processors that integrate a 9th generation of Intel HD graphics that will keep you in the flow wherever you go. Inside the small mini PC case, you can find 2 SODIMM slots where you can install up to 64GB of DDR4 2666 MHz of RAM, an M.2 NVMe interface for an SSD disk, and a SATA 3 with an internal 2.5-inch display. The MSI QB5 has an excellent thermal design and low noise fan, resulting in a low noise level of only 23.6 dB on the idle mode. For connectivity, it comes with 4 USB 3.2 Generation 1, 2 USB 2.0, a pair of audio jacks, gigabit network port, and HDMI 1.4 video outputs and DisplayPort, which allow you to connect up to 2 monitors at once. The MSI QB510M comes with a 65-watt power supply, and it's also equipped with an external power switch. Located computer in a hard-to-reach area, this is a convenient switch on the desk and hitting it rather than bent down to turn the computer on. The MSI QB510M is equipped with the latest generation of Intel processor, making it a great option for fulfilling your need for a mini PC. A solid, compact gaming desktop. Lenovo's Legion C53 Cube brings distinct design and borderline 1080p gaming performance to budget buyers. The C530 is powered by up to 9 generations of Intel Core i7 processor that showcases the lightning-fast speed, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066GB GPU will immerse you in incredible realism and performance in the latest games. For performance, this powerful mini PC comes with up to 16GB DDR4 2666MHz RAM for multitasking and 1TB HDD, along with 512GB PCIe SSD that accelerates your most frequently played games for fast launching and level loading. This PC was designed to present a more refined look, from its compact iron gray chassis to details like a sleek front grille with a 100% transparent top panel with integrated wet system lighting, so you can see the magic happening inside. Its CPU and GPU are cooled independently via dedicated thermal channels, reducing system temperatures and fan noise, resulting in better performance. The C530 Cube has an integrated carrying handle and lightweight design, which means you can play how you want, where you want, anywhere in your home. The Legion C530 Cube brings you epic performance in a compact size, plus everything you need for easy upgrading when the time comes. The all-new workstation class Asus Mini PC ProArt series addresses the specific needs of creative professionals, delivering powerful and stable computing performance. Powered by up to 9 generations of Intel Core i9 processors, the Mini PC ProArt PA90 ensures smooth and responsive multitasking performance with even the most demanding applications and complex projects. This mini PC comes with NVIDIA Quadro P4000 or P2000 graphics that provide accelerated performance to smoothly drive multiple ultra-high-resolution displays and speed up 3D rendering tasks. This mini PC features two M.2 PCIe 3.0 X4 SSDs supporting up to 512GB and one 2.5-inch HDD that provide ultra-fast data transfers and high-capacity storage, and up to 64GB of 2666MHz DDR4 RAM with Intel Optane technology that provides the ability to cache large files and programs for faster access. With an all-in-one liquid CPU cooler, this mini PC unleashes the full performance of the CPU while delivering consistently quiet and stable operation. Its innovative cooling system also automatically extends the PC's top cover when the CPU is at full load to maximize airflow for optimal performance. On the front of the desktop, you will find two USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, and a microphone port, and on the rear, you'll find two more USB 3.1 ports, two Thunderbolt 3 over USB-C ports, a gigabit Ethernet connection, a second audio jack, and 4 DisplayPort connections that feed directly from the NVIDIA Quadro GPU inside and round out the port selection. The Asus ProArt PA90 Mini PC is perfect for photo and video editing, computer-aided design workflows for architecture, engineering, and manufacturing, as well as media and entertainment. So that was all about the 5 best mini PCs of 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.